Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are joining me for the first time, or if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the analysis, on the chart, before you follow up with the analysis. Okay, and of course, if you are willing to make $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator. The market was on uptrend before it got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above that, so it has been on downtrend since then. Got to this support zone and has not been able to break out below it, so it has been playing around there for a while. So it's going to be making another attempt on it. Once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. This had been on downtrend right from the resistance zone around here, and of course we can see it right from here, and it kept on selling and selling, got to this particular support zone at the middle here and had a little pullback before going back down to break out below it, and of course it has been selling since then. Okay, it is around another support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. This might not be for long, okay, in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. It actually went on uptrend from here and got to this region and was unable to go above that, so it started the downtrend which came to an end around there, and this time around it went back on uptrend, still unable to break out from that resistance zone, and of course it's going back on downtrend at the moment. We can see this trend signal and the other signal. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. And of course guys, the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. This had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, got to this support zone, went back up and still came down there to get to the support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So since it's unable to break out from here, we are most likely to experience an uptrend right from here, but wait for the right signals before you go fully into it. So we should be experiencing more of a buying opportunity right from there, because it has gotten to the support zone already, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. This started an uptrend right from here, and it has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Got to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go fully into a downtrend. Okay, it should be selling more right from there, except if it breaks out above it, but if it does not, then it should be selling more. Okay, of course this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it's going to sell from there. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.